Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you be notified every time you get upload. Because you know sometimes I be on my schedule, you know YouTube be playing. And make sure you share my videos so I can get a little exposure. So let's get on. So why you here? A or why you here? A or why you here? Ow, baby. Pocahontas, is that you? Nah, that's Sawlife. Coming from the outer trees. Yes, baby, you see me. You see me with this bust down. And Shannon does not do bust downs. Baby, let's get into this because wowzers. So shout out to Hurella Hair for sponsoring this video today. This is a new company to me and to my channel. I've never even really heard of this company before. So I'm really appreciative that they reached out to me because I really want to try it, you know, see what's tea, you know what I'm saying? So I did get their 24-inch lace tee. It's like a lace, it's just a lace part. And I just got it in a natural color. So y'all, I wanted to bring y'all something that was like easy and like throw on the go, kind of like the headband wigs. And you can make this into a headband wig, baby, because this is coming. Like, y'all, I am impressed. And this is just a bust down wig, but it's the quality of the hair for me. Like, the density on this wig, wowzers. Like, it has a lot of density. I love it, but it's not like, it's full, like, for a straight wig. Y'all know when you do a bust down and it's a, you know, a sleek style, you don't want it to be too thin. You do want it to look natural, but you don't want it to be too thin. Now, I didn't go in and wash this or anything. I didn't bleach no knots, no nothing. So, this is the perfect, like, grab and go. You know what I'm saying? Grab and roll. Put it on and roll. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I am so impressed. I love the luster on here. I also love just being able to run my hands through it. This is human hair, y'all. If I didn't mention I don't expect a lot of shangling from it because it is a straight wig. And straight out of the pack, I just got a couple strands, but I do expect it to shed and maybe tangle just a tad when it's washing. I haven't washed it yet, so yeah, y'all, like, I've just tried this on and this is like giving. Like, baby, if you want to get Pocahontas, shop with Hurella, your hair, you know what I'm saying? Shop. Because it's like the sleekness too. Like, I did add my wax stick because there was a lot of flyaways. That's like my only con with this. There's a lot of flyaways. I don't like that. But the wax stick, if you got a wax stick, baby, do your thing, because you can do your thing. You can give sleek thing, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, I love this. I really do love this. Like, I was like, oh yeah, this is just gonna be another bust down. I know y'all thinking, y'all was like, yeah, this is just gonna be another bust down. This ain't nothing new, and it's not anything new. It's a classic style. I didn't do anything to it, honestly. Like, it's just giving me what I need to give, you know what I'm saying? And it could be giving you what you need to give if you like. I don't understand, like, why they, you know, put the fake scalp in there. I don't understand it. Like, I still put my powder and stuff like right there. And also, another thing about this is big head friendly. I love that. I love that because another tea part that I have done, it was kind of tight, you know what I'm saying? I could have ran my flat iron through it to get it a little bit more sleeker, but I love the volume on it, so I didn't. I just did, you know, like a lazy girl routine. This is lazy girl approved, baby. So like I said, nothing is special about the actual style, but it's the quality of the hair. Like, I know good hair, y'all. Like, before I started doing synthetic wigs, I was wearing virgin hair, so I know good hair when I see it and when I feel it. You get what I'm saying? So do y'all thing. Do y'all thing, Hurella. Do y'all thing. But I didn't use my wig grip to actually probably like secure it more, and I didn't adjust the straps in the back. But the cap is so big head friendly, I would just go ahead and use my wig grip, but instead I just use my Got to Be the you know, lay the part down really flat. This is not one of those wigs where you can like really pluck the part and stuff like that. or not the part, but the perimeter, because I think that this is the perfect beginner wig, and I also think it's a good wig to practice on. Also, like if you're not comfortable but you still want that virgin hair because you don't like synthetic, you know what I'm saying? This also lays very, very flat, y'all. Like I want y'all to see this. Like my base is not flat at all. Like my base is like trash and this is giving flat bread, baby. And like get into this, y'all. Like I hope y'all don't think I'm faking, because baby, you can't fake this look. You see me. So thank you guys so much for watching. If I missed anything, make sure you check the description box to see if I have any coupon codes or any information, you know, printing information. Also, shout out to Hurella Hair again for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate you for sponsoring this video so we can lace Infinity Gang, because there is a lace shortage, you know what I'm saying? So they still lacing us, and I like that, you know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.